Hi everyone again, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I am gonna start new lab series about real IT networking and what exactly I use in my day-to-day life. We are gonna install Proxmox as a hypervisor on our hardware. Then next video I will explain you about, maybe it's gonna be about virtual interfaces, how it works. I think it's necessary for some people, for beginners, and it was quite difficult for me when I started to understand how it works in general. It's gonna be video about Windows hypervisor, how works, virtual switches like external, internal and private switch. Then in the same video I will explain about Linux bridge interface, which we are gonna use exactly on Proxmox. Then next video is gonna be about OPNsense firewall and router, then some virtual machines maybe to test how it works, connect through Linux bridges and so on. Then we will install and use NAS, Open Media World. I use it in my day-to-day life. Maybe TrueNAS, we will see, maybe both of them, just to learn a bit more how it works and difference to understand. Also we are gonna use Immich server, that's like Google Photo, almost the same but interesting. NAS, I said about this, Pi-hole DNS, but first we will install DNS and set up on our firewall, and then like additional maybe we will touch Pi-hole and outbound DNS server. Then I don't know, maybe something like Wazo, but I don't have enough knowledge maybe about Wazo. We will see. If you want to see in this video series something what is interesting for you, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, like. Let's go to see what we are gonna do. First of all, what do we need for this lab? We need hardware. We are gonna use this PC, ThinkCentre M series M83 exactly. It has i5 4th generation CPU, and I can install up to 32 GB of RAM. For you, what do you need? At least I recommend you some CPU with 4 cores and 4 threads. What I'm actually gonna use on this, it has this one i5 4th generation CPU it has. I am gonna use 32 GB of RAM because I have it, and for you I would recommend you to use 16 GB of RAM at least for virtualization. CPU it's not so important for virtualization, but also it's important, but RAM memory more important than CPU. I will explain you in next videos why it's like this. Then we will use HDD disks. I have 3 Seagate HDD disks. 2 of them we will connect to NAS server, and 1 of them we will connect to Immich, like a storage. We're gonna use it like a storage. Everything Proxmox hardware hypervisor we're gonna install on SSD. Must have. It's not or like recommendation, must have. You will save a lot of time for you with this. And all virtual machines we are gonna also install on SSD. Like you can use HDD for this, but it's gonna take a lot of more time for you just to work with this. SSD half terabyte I'm gonna use, but maybe 256 you can use it as well, more better, but also but not cheaper. Again, we are gonna use unmanaged switch I use 1 gig switch with ports. This one fast internet, maximum 10 or 100 megabit per second. For lab, for testing, more than enough. Plus, we are gonna use this router, but we will use it only like an access point to test wireless connection. Again, what you need? You need network cards. We are gonna use these two. One of these we will use for our OPNsense, like one interface, another one like LAN interface. One interface we will connect pass-through, like PSI pass-through. Your firewall will see it like a hardware connected directly to your virtual machine. Another one will be like Linux bridge, to which we will connect all our virtual machines. In your case, if you use something like laptop, you can use like this. External USB RJ45 connectors. I'm not gonna use it, maybe if we need. Again, if you don't have enough slots, you can use something like this. Double or quadra NIC card. But first of all, when you buy a new PC, it's better to prepare it. I'm gonna do it right now in this video, show you. And what are we gonna do exactly? Change thermal paste, plus replace BIOS battery. And I forgot to tell you, we are gonna use this NIC card from motherboard to connect to our Proxmox server. Again, in future video I will explain you why you have to connect this one only for your Proxmox operating system. Okay, I am ready to open it and install all of this hardware on this PC. You can wait, but you can do something else. Scroll down below and hit that like button and subscribe button. Maybe leave a comment. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Open, unscrew CPU, cooler. Disattach cable, and you can see from this side, yes, it's dry, it doesn't work anymore. Open CPU, look at this CPU. I hope you can see. Apply thermal paste. I usually apply only one drop in the center, like this. For me it works perfect. You can find when I tested this one drop in my previous video somewhere if it's interesting, but works perfect. Applies to whole square this. We change the thermal paste, spread it, and connect CPU back. Next step, this one, BIOS, battery. This one. Perfect. Next step, RAM sticks. All of them like this. Next, I'm gonna connect two interfaces, two NIC cards. I'm gonna use these two PSI slots, PSI 16. This PC has Wi-Fi NIC card. I hope it's gonna work because it's quite old, and I hope Proxmox can recognize this, can find drivers for this one. We will see. Now let's install it. Done. Next step, 2 HDD disks. Done. For third one, I don't have like special place, but I'm gonna connect somewhere here to some of these holes. Done. And this one maybe to this one only. Okay, everything in place. We only have to connect all of this. I have to find cables. SATA data cables. I have bunch of this. We are gonna choose exactly what we need. First, we will connect our power to all of these disks. This one, for example, to this place, like this. Yes. Or maybe it's better to this. Nope. For this, to this place. A bit cable management. Now SATA data cables. Let's go. SATA 1. SATA E to storage. Done. And we have this cable which goes to our front USB ports. Right now you can see everything in place. We're gonna close it, and in the next video we are gonna install Proxmox on this PC. What do we have? Some screw? Yes, I will find it a bit later. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Like, subscribe and comment.